Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In last video, we have learned 4 important formulas related to the composite functions. As I told you, you have to remember 13 formula. So in today's video, we are going to cover last 4 formula. So if you observe carefully, so all the formulas are related to the trigonometry. Am I right? So if the given function y is equal to tan of f of x, so how you are going to take the derivatives of that particular function with respect to x? It is given by the formula sec square f of x into derivatives of f of x, that is f dash of x. Okay. Coming to the second formula, how you are going to take the derivatives of sec of f of x? To take the derivatives of this particular function, we have to use this formula. What is the given formula? Sec f of x into tan f of x into f dash of x. Coming to the third formula, if you need to take the derivatives of cot f of x, it is given by minus cosec square f of x into f dash of x. And the last formula is cosec f of x can be given by the derivatives of this particular function is given by minus cosec f of x into cot f of x into f dash of x. So to understand this concept, let's consider few examples. So what is given? We need to differentiate the following function with respect to x. So let's begin with the first solution. Y is equal to tan x square plus 4 is given. As I told you, whenever you are going to solve the problem based on the derivatives, first you need to identify what is f of x. So could you able to identify what is f of x in this particular question? F of x is what we need to find out. Solution 1. So as I told you, step number 1 that you need to perform is identify f of x from the given question. So f of x in this case is x square plus 4. Next procedure is what you have to check whether do we have the standard formula for given function or the given question. Yes, we have a standard formula for tan f of x. So what is the derivatives of tan f of x? How you are going to find out? By simply using tan f of x is equal to sec square f of x into f dash of x. So we have to apply standard result in this case. Dy by dx is equal to, as per the standard result, sec square f of x in this case is x square plus 4 into derivatives of f of x is x square plus derivatives of this particular function. So as you know that derivatives of x square plus 4 is nothing but equal to 2x plus 0, as 4 is a constant term. So the final answer is sec square inside the bracket x square plus 4 into 2x plus 0. We can write 2x into sec square x square plus inside the bracket x square plus 4. This is your final answer after taking the derivatives with respect to x. I hope you have understood the solution for example number 1. What is given in example number 2? You have to find out the derivatives of this particular function with respect to x. Then you need to check what is f of x in the given question. So if you observe carefully, the f of x is 2x square minus 7. What is f of x? 2x square f of x is equal to 2x square minus 7. So if you are going to take the derivatives of that particular function, it is given by this formula sec of f of x is 2x square minus 7 into tan of 2x square minus 7 into derivatives of f of x, that is 2x square minus 7. So what is the derivatives of 2x square minus 7? So the final answer is sec of f of x, that is 2x square minus 7 into tan 2x square minus 7 into derivatives of this term is 4x minus 0. So you can write 4 into x, that is 4x. I hope you have understood the solution for example number 2. Now we need to solve the third question. What is given? Y is equal to cot of log x. Okay. So we have the standard formula for cot of f of x. How we are going to take the derivatives of cot f of x? It is given by minus cosec square f of x into derivatives of f of x. Okay. So as I told you, first you need to find out f of x value from the given question. So in this particular example, f of x is equal to log x. Similarly, now we need to take the derivatives of the given function with respect to x. It is given by minus cosec square f of x, as f of x in our case is log x, into derivatives of log x. Already we had studied how to take the derivatives of log function. It is given by 1 upon x. So the final answer in this case is minus 1 upon x cosec square log x. I hope you have understood the solution for example number. Coming to the fourth solution, what is given? Cosec of under root of x square plus 5. So you can easily apply the standard result. If y is equal to cosec of, this is y is equal to, okay, this is y is equal to cosec of under root of x square plus y. How we are going to take the derivatives of this particular function? It is given by the formula minus cosec f of x into cot f of x, and then you need to take the derivatives of f of x. Could you identify what is f of x in this case? So solution 4, f of x is equal to under root of x square plus 5. Next step is what? We need to take the derivatives of y with respect to x. So as per the standard formula, it is minus cosec f of x. So what is f of x in our case? It is under root of x square plus 5 into cot inside the bracket f of x, that is under root of x square plus 5 into derivatives of under root of x square plus 5. So how you are going to take the derivatives of root x? Already we had studied in previous lecture. If it is the derivatives of root of f of x, then it can be calculated by 1 upon 2 under root of f of x into derivatives of f of x. Am I right? So how we are going to write down the next step? Minus cosec under root of x square plus 5 into cot under root of x square plus 5 into derivatives of root x is given by 1 upon 2 under root of x square plus 5 into derivatives of root x, that is f of x, that is x square plus 5. So the final answer you will get minus cosec x under root of x square plus 5 into cot x square plus 5 into 1 upon 2 root x square plus 5 into derivatives of this term is what? What is the derivatives of f of x? 2x plus 0. So the final answer, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So the final answer is minus x upon under root of x square plus 5 into cosec under root of inside the bracket into cot x square plus 5. I hope you have understood how to apply composite function formulas. In next video, we'll talk about u dot v rule in case of the derivative. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.